Officials are not releasing any more information at this time. Now, CNN crews are following every development and breaking it down for you. CNN medical correspondent Elizabeth Cohen is right here in Atlanta, and Christine Romans will be joining us from New York. Let's begin with you, Elizabeth, and the first confirmed swine flu death here in the United States. What more do we know about this child? We have already mentioned that we have been told and confirmed that he is from, I shouldn't say he, the child is from Mexico, correct?
Right, and we don't know if the child is a boy or a girl.
That's
we
right.
know the child's from Mexico, came to the United States to get health care. It's not clear if he was diagnosed in Mexico as having swine flu or perhaps was diagnosed in the United States. We know that the child is 23 months old. That is all that we know. Now, this is obviously a tragic thing to have happen. I, however, would not use the word surprising or shocking. CDC officials have been warning us now for several days. Be prepared for deaths in this country. It's happened in Mexico. It will likely happen here.
Yeah, and a lot of people, when we see news like this now, wondering where do we stand on a vaccine?
Right, where we stand on a vaccine is the public health authorities are trying to get one together quickly. As a matter of fact, they sent an email 2 days ago to the 8 vaccine research centers in this country. They're set up to do just this. And they told these folks, be on alert, be on standby. We may be coming to you with clinical trials that we need you to do. But here is the clincher, Heidi. It takes months to come up with a vaccine.
Right.
This is not a fast process. They use technology that's 50 years old, which involves chickens and eggs and growing the vaccine. It is tough to do. Now, it's interesting. They've also asked these researchers to dig back, way back into their freezers and find blood samples from 1976 from folks who were vaccinated at that time for swine flu. They're hoping that those blood samples might give them some clues as to how to develop a safer vaccine. This time, the vaccine back then seems to have caused some problems, seems to have caused some illnesses, and they had to stop vaccinating people.
Yeah, we talked about that yesterday under the Ford administration there. All right, Elizabeth Cohen, we know you're following it very, very closely this morning. Sure do appreciate that. Now I want to get directly